Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the SP500 index fund analysis, the Nasdaq 100 analysis, DXY or US dollar analysis, plus the Bitcoin price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So as you see here, the SP500, what it done today here after Friday when we do the last analysis for you in the SP500, because Saturday and Sunday, as majority of you know, market is closed. And here what else we said it like that. We got here a up channel like that. As you see it touched the top of it here. Now it's showing it will fall down to touch here again. That's a part of trading. It will fall down to touch here. Then after that, maybe it will going up, or maybe it's going to break for us that channel here. Also, we don't care. If it fall down here and broke it here, also we're going to enter short again till the 200 moving average. If it's not, also we stay with it. Till now it's showing here like maybe it's going to happen here a rejection or something. But till now we need to wait more, guys. What's going to happen in the coming days? Because even if you go here to the daily, let's go there together to see here in the daily what else we said before. We said here we got a head and shoulder here, small head and shoulder here. It's breaking the neckline here. Take profit for that one. Also we said it is going to be here in that last high here. So till now it hasn't bring in for us the take profit, and now it's showing here like a rejection there. But now that candle which is going now, it's giving us here a pin bar here at that level, and that was something healthy. Why? Because here is a support getting broke. The market do like that, then it test it again, and now it's showing us a pin bar. If the market go and breaking the last high, it's going to continue going upward till here, till 4,300. So us here we are in an uptrend here in the daily. There is no one who will change it, because if you came here like that and you do win that megaphone us we been talking about is getting broke here, the market is going up, but the market will not go up like that. It will go in with waves. So those people, they haven't entered. I'm talking here about long-term trading. They haven't entered. They waiting the correction for them to enter again. And for swing trading, you go to the 4 hours and you try to go with it. If it fall down, for swing trading, you waiting like that. You waiting any correction like that. Then you enter from down. It go up here. You take profit. It fall down here. You waiting the entry again. So like that's how it's working. Because here, look with me here. Look, you came down here and you do it like that. You see it or no? Here, here, and here, and here. You are in a very stronger uptrend. Maybe the one it will come down to touch it again here. Then after that, it will continue it upward. Now also still in an uptrend, guys. And look with me here, that level where me I told you, I show it to you in the daily. Let me show it to you here. You see it here or no? You see that level here? That one is getting broke here by that big candle here. The market, it went up till here. Now it's going back to touch it here. If it go up and breaking the last high here, that means the market will continue going up or more than that. I think picture is getting more clear to you. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator is staying here at the overbought area. So technically you need to looking for a sell. The sell is it like that. That's the only price action you got. It goes here, that up channel like that. Look at it, how I draw it. If the market came and breaking here, you can enter short, but till now there is no entry short. There is nothing, unless if the market done like this, go back to here to that last high and couldn't break it, then give you here a double top or a triple top or a wedge or whatever, then it came down and break it, that is going to indicating the market is going to reverse. But till now there is nothing here indicating for you the market is going to reverse. And forget about other people what they're telling you. I think picture is very clear. There is nothing is named bull trap or bear trap. There is no bull trap. It started from here till here. You need to remember those things. I think picture is too clear, guys. Now it's going to 30 minutes to see what the SP500 doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, look at the 200 moving average. How it used to react here like a very stronger support, and now you are in it again. Told you enter long now, not yet. The long, what me I told you in the last video in Friday, what me I told you here. I told you we are going to do like that, like a trend line like that, and we wait in the break to happen here. Did it break? Not yet. So till now, technically there is no buying yet. You came here to that dot, that one, and you waiting the market to come to reverse to break here. When it's breaking here, you can enter long. Till now, there is nothing, no entry long. Like how it happened here. You remember here, people have been with us for some time. When it's breaking here, us we enter long. Till here. Same thing now. Give us here a head and shoulder like that, and also we enter short till the 200 moving average. Now, for us to enter long, we do it like that. We waiting the break to happen here. If it's breaking here in that level here, we are going to enter long. That's it. That's how is it trading. Don't try to make things very complicated. I think picture is too clear. Now let's see in our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, it's enter here to the oversold area. Level you are in the 200 moving average, and as I show you, it's been reacted like a very stronger support. Now we need the third thing and the confirmation, and the most important thing is the price action. The only price action we got is that down channel like that, as you see. Now we're waiting that one to come to break here for us to enter long again. If it doesn't, there is no entry. Also, we're still waiting what's going to happen. Remember that. If it's breaking here, we are going to enter long, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's going to see the Nasdaq 100, what it's doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Nasdaq 100. The one here in the 4 hours. The same thing applying the SP 500. Apply here. Same thing. Also, we are here in a up channel like that. I showed it to you before. Look at it. You're still in a very, very stronger up channel. There is no one will change that. And here, what else we said about that level here, it needs that one to fall down till here. Then after that, maybe it will go in upward, maybe not. So till now, also we still waiting, because as I show you, look with me here, that trend line here, the market will fall down to touch it. Then after that, maybe it will go in upward to break for you the last high. And even if you go to the daily, it's going there to see what is it there. Here in the daily, what else we said? People have been with us for some time. Also we said we got here a very big double bottom like that. Look at it. The neckline, which is here, is getting broke here. Take profit for that one. It needs to be like that and like that. So the take profit for that one, it needs to be here at that level here, or that last high here. Till now, it doesn't show any trade yet, but you are here in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Yes or no? Should you sell everything here? No. Take profit for that one here at that high here. And me, I told you the market, it doesn't work like that. Just going up or falling down. The market, it's working with waves, guys. So maybe you're going to see another wave which go back here, then after that it will going up. But here in the daily, you got a clear picture. Let me show it to you. You are in an uptrend. There is nothing to be worried about. Look at it. You are in an uptrend here. You used to have here that megaphone or that downtrend here. It's getting broke here now and breaking for the 200 moving average. Look here where you are. The take profit for that one is here at the last high, which is here exactly. So here in the daily, you are in an uptrend. There is no one will take that from you. Yes, there is corrections. They are going to happen, but in the daily you get a clear picture where is the market going. So now if you go back to the 4 hours, what you need to do, here we are in the 4 hours. Now what we need to do, we need to wait in the correction to happen to here to the trend line. Then after that also we're going to enter long. If the market do something not right and come here and breaking that trend line here, also we are going to enter short. That's it. That's how is it need to be. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator is showing us we are here at the overbought area. Should we enter short? No, my friend. Look at that one where it's entered to the overbought area from here. Look where you are. The only thing we're going to tell you to enter short is a price action. You got any price action there telling you need to enter short? No, we haven't. Also, we got here. Look with me here. Very clear uptrend. And the market is going up. He go back, he tested, go up. Go back, he tested, go up. Go back, he tested, go up. So you are in a very, very sharp uptrend, and every time it give you higher high. Look at it. Every time it give you here higher high. So now maybe it's going to give us another low, and after that it's going to give us another high. Picture is too clear, guys. So there is nothing to be worried. Just waiting the correction to finish. Then also we're going to looking for a buy opportunity. Everything is too clear here in the 4 hours. So now it's going to 30 minutes to see what the Nasdaq 100 doing today in 30 minutes. So it's going there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, same thing. We said we got here that downtrend that one, and we waited to get broke for us to enter long. If it doesn't, there is no entry long. Also, we're still waiting. And here, look at the 200 moving average, how it's been reacting here. Look at it. You see it or no? It used to react here like a very stronger support. Same thing now, it came next to it. Maybe from here it will go in upward. Maybe it's going to break it down. But also the entry short, it's being from here. When it give us the double top here. Look at it here. It give you here a double top. That the entry short here for scalpers and day traders. It fall down till here. Now, what it give you here? You got here that down channel like that. Look at it. Maybe that one it will fall down to touch the lower of it because you are now in a downtrend. The entry for the short it's being from here. Now you still with it. Now you waiting the reverse to happen and the market to break upward for you to enter long. To break upward, it needs to break the trend line here for you to go with it again. Everything is very simple. There is nothing complicated. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, enter here to the oversold area. So now technically you need to look in for a buy opportunity to buy like that. If it's breaking here, you enter long. Remember that. You draw the trend line from that two dots, that one and that one. If it came the market and breaking here, you enter long. You just go to your chart and doing the same thing. You came to those dots and you draw in here a trend line like that and you wait in that one to come to break here for you to enter long and it will going up more than that. Everything is so clear. Now let's going to see the DXY or US dollar, what it's doing today. So let's go in there. DXY or US dollar, that one here, what we got here, look with me here, what it giving us here. It give us here the down channel like that. Now it's touching the top of it here. Now for us to enter short, we need a price action here. Giving us the market is going to reverse. If it doesn't, there is no entry short now. There is no entry short now. So now here in the 4 hours, you need to wait in a little bit what the market is going to tell you. Even if you go to the daily, let's go to the daily together to see what is it there. Here in the daily, the market show us here something not right. Yes or no? You remember that trend line we used to have here? It's getting broke here. Now it's going back inside. Now here we need to wait until the daily candle finish it for us to make a decision. That's it. That's the only thing I can tell you. It needs to the market to come back here. Either it's going to come back inside here or it's going to fall down again. Because either it's going to do like that to touch here the trend line. Then after that it's going to break the last low which is here. Or it's going to go back inside and going to give us here a fake breakout. But here in the daily, look with me here what you got. Same channel I show you in the 4 hours. You got it here in the daily. Even here, he couldn't break it up. So maybe from here it's going to fall down. Till now you need to wait in a little bit what the market is going to tell you here in that place. Here in the DXY, it's not yet. You need to wait in a little bit till you get a clear picture. Because in the 4 hours and in the daily is the same thing now. Even now if you go back here to the 4 hours. Here we are in the 4 hours. Let's see our indicator was 10. Our indicator is telling us we enter here to the overbought area. So technically now we need to look in for a short. But for us to enter short, we need a price action here, indicating the market is going to reverse like how it gave us here the double top. It's need the same thing to happen here for us to enter short. If it doesn't, there is no entry short. And as I show you now in the daily, you break the trend line. And in the 4 hours, it's breaking for you the 200 moving average. So you need to wait on what's going to happen. Either it's going to go more higher or it's going to reverse again. Everything is too clear. Now it's going to 30 minutes to get more clear picture there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, you remember us we give you here. We used to have here a cup and handle and a cup and handle that the neckline here, that candle here, that where it closed at the candle of news. It closed here. Look till where it went. Because that one is the candle of unemployment right here. So you will have you enter from here, from that candle here. Look till where now? Should you enter now short here? Till now there is no price action here, indicating for you need to enter short. For you to enter short, you can make like that. You're making the trend line here, and that one is need to fall down till here to break it for you to enter short. And that one is still very, very far away. So you need to wait in maybe the market to give you here a price action or something, because here in the DXY it's going sharply higher. So you need to wait in here the market what is going to tell you in the coming hours, guys. Remember that. So people that trade in forex, it's coming that Crystal Lagarde now to talk. I don't know about what. You need to be careful even about the one. It's left for it I think 1 hour. So maybe the one is going to reverse it. But let's wait in the coming hours, guys. It's our indicator what it's saying here in 30 minutes. Our indicator, as you see it, it entered here to the overbought area. Now we've been at the overbought area for some time now, as you see it. Should we enter short? No, there is no entry short here in the DXY or US dollar, unless if it give us here a price action or it came down here. Look with me how I draw it. Those ones. We see that peak, that one here, and the start here. And the market to come back here and to break lower here for us to enter short again. The long it's been from here, from down here. So till now you need to wait in more what the market is going to tell us, guys. There is nothing new here, so you need to wait in more what's going to happen. Everything is too clear. Now let's go in to see the Bitcoin what it's doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Bitcoin. Here in the Bitcoin, the last video, watch me, I told you for you to enter short. Look with me here. You go here like a down channel like that. Just the last video. I told you it need that one to break here for us to enter long. Did it break? No. So should you enter long? No, my friend, it's not yet. It needs to break here. Look with me here, the trend line here, it needs to be broken here. Should you enter short? Short it's been from here. When we used to have here the double top here, that's where it used to be the short. And me, I give you another chance to enter short from here. From that one here, I give you another chance to enter short because over here we used to have here a symmetric triangle like that. And over here is getting broke. Look till where. And you can find all those things in our past videos. Now, should you enter long? He tried to give you here like a cup and handle here. Look at it. Very clear cup and handle here. But everything it's based about the break here. So if it's breaking here in that zone, it's going to break for you even that downtrend here. Same thing. So if it's breaking here, yes, you can enter short, but no, it's not yet. You need to wait more because maybe from here it's going to fall down again. Everything is too clear, guys. Let's see our indicator, what he's saying. Our indicator, as you see, it's been here at the oversold area for some time now. But no, it doesn't give us here a price action. The market is going to reverse. So us, we still waiting what the market is going to tell us. The only price action we have here is that one. And that cup and handle here. So till now, no one of them is completed for you. I'm telling you, you need to enter long. Yes, the level, you are in a very stronger level. Let me show it to you. And that level, even in the 4 hours, I show it to you. Look at it here. You are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. It's been touched thousands of times. Now it touch again, it's showing the market here like it's going to reverse. But no, it hasn't completed for us to thinking of the market is going to reverse. For us, it's need to break for us that downtrend here. If it's break it here, also we are going to enter long. If it doesn't, there is no entry long. And if you enter long, you put stop loss down in that level here. Because if it's breaking here in the 4 hours, also we are going to enter short. Everything is very simple, guys. So that's it for that video, guys. See you after the daily candle finish it. Bye for now.